Does your baby cry when they hear the blender? Totally normal. Loud or new sounds can startle babies. Their auditory system is still developing. Steps: introduce loud sounds gradually. Approach from a distance and slowly raise volume. Hold your baby when trying new sounds. Your presence provides reassurance. Repeat the sound in calm, happy settings, like during playtime. Less scary that way. Smile and use cheerful expressions when the sound occurs. They'll associate it with safety, not fear. Even scary sounds can be learning opportunities for babies. What's your baby's most feared sound?